Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. First time I spoke in public, it was just a 1-minute presentation to the school board. I almost fainted. First time my wife had to speak, she prayed no one would show up. Now we both look forward to public speaking. I probably don't need to tell you that public speaking is an important skill, maybe more important than ever. It's long been helpful, for example, in making a toast at a friend's wedding or presenting something at a work meeting. But now, with competition for good jobs fierce, public speaking can make the difference between a winner and an also-ran. That may be especially true for aspiring researchers. I'll soon be giving a talk to a sizable group of them, and I am presenting this right now to you in preparation. Maybe it's going to help you. Step 0, which is optional. Script your talk. If you do that, please do not try to memorize your script nor read it as your talk. That leaches chemistry from your talk, and under the pressure, you're likely to forget what you memorized. Step 1. Create a cheat sheet of your talk's main points, maybe just a word or two for each point, just enough to remind you. Try to limit your points to the important and not obvious. Perhaps drive a point home with a statistic, or a brief example, or an anecdote. End your talk with a call to action such as, I hope this will encourage you to do X, or try something inspiring. For example, a researcher might say, of course, this study provides just a small step, but all of us taking small steps could end up making a big difference. Step 2. Practice your talk by recording it on your phone. Play it back and repeat until you feel it's good enough. If you like, give your talk to a trusted friend. Ask for honest feedback. Step 3. Come early to your talk. Chat. Relax. Step 4. Right before starting, take a deep breath and realize it doesn't matter that much, really. And finally, Step 5. Start. Be yourself. Be conversational, probably. Chances are you're going to do well enough, and you'll probably do even better next time. Anyway, that's called Public Speaking for Beginners. As usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments, and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have a broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel. And certainly would welcome you taking a look at any of my 31 books. Not just today, 32 now, today, just published. Affirmative Actions. My favorite, actually, about 45 short stories. Anyway, all of them are on Amazon. Just go there, search on my name, Marty Nemko, Nemko, and you will find more than you can stomach. In any event, I do thank you for watching. I am Marty Nemko.